Let's find out. The names of different kinds of street food found around the world. Part 3 of 5. The first one on our list for the day is idli. Idli. Next is pav bhaji. Pav bhaji. Moving on, we have the tasty dhokla. Dhokla. Next is the yummy bhel puri. Bhel puri. Moving on, we have Vungya Pang. Then we have roasted sweet potato. Roasted sweet potato. Next is tteokbokki. Tteokbokki. The next one on our list is noodles. Noodles. Moving on, we have bibimbap. Bibimbap. And the last one on our list for the day is the yummy doenjang jjigae. Doenjang jjigae. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of street food. Which one is your favorite? And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining in today. See you again tomorrow. Next video is gonna come very soon. Bye-bye. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.